I went from losing money on TikTok ads to massive profit in just 1 week with this simple TikTok ads strategy. Hey guys, it's the e-com here. Lately, my TikTok ads performance hasn't been as good as I like it to be. So I tried this new strategy and let me tell you that it performed amazingly. I'm going to tell you how to set it up, also how it performed day by day, and also how to optimize it. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright guys, so I have the strategy right here. So we're gonna invest a budget of $100 per day. Right, and we're gonna create 2 different campaigns. One is gonna be a conversions campaign and we're gonna put $80 on it, but it's gonna be an A/B test. $40 in one asset and $40 in another asset. The first asset is gonna be with custom targeting. I'm going to target my ideal customer, and the other ad group is gonna have automatic targeting. Okay, I'm gonna let TikTok decide which one is the audience that will convert the most. If this was 4 months ago, I will tell you to just target customer behaviors. But TikTok has changed lately and my ads are not converting as well as they used to. So I wanna give TikTok the chance to find a new audience. Now I'm gonna put 6 videos on this campaign, alright? 6 on the A test and 6 on the B test. They are gonna be the same exact videos. The only variable will be the targeting. These videos will be short. They will be 8 to 15 seconds long, and they are meant to be the first impression that people will have to my products and my brand. Now, we're gonna spend the other $20 on a retargeting conversion campaign. Target only people that have clicked on the ads or have viewed 100% of the ad. So the $80 campaign is gonna be feeding the $20 retargeting campaign. The retargeting campaign will have other ads that are gonna be completely different than the first impression campaign, right? They are gonna be longer, they are gonna be more detailed. We will show the process of making the product, shipping the products. We will appear on the ads, and the objectives of these ads is to create trust, because on the first impression, they either click or watch the entire video. So they are interested, right? Now, the other videos, the retargeting ones, is gonna be to convince them that we're a true company, our products are made in the United States, we're gonna ship it to them, they're gonna receive it, it's gonna have great quality. We also have on the retargeting campaign videos of people actually wearing our products, right? So UGC content to create trust. And even though I'm advertising this specific product, this strategy works for everything, alright? So whatever your product is, follow the strategy. Look at what things you have to pay attention to and change it accordingly. Now I'm going to show you how to create these 2 campaigns. So we will go to the TikTok Ads Manager and create a new campaign in custom mode. For the advertising objective, we will choose website conversions. Give it a name to the campaign, conversions automatic and general targeting. And we're gonna create a split text and click on continue. The first ad group is gonna be first impression ads custom targeting, alright? The link is gonna go to an external website. We choose our pixel, we choose our optimization event, which will be complete payment. We want to optimize for full conversions. So the placements, we're gonna put select placement, we're gonna remove Pango and newsfeed apps. And then for the demographics, I'm gonna leave gender to all, and I'm gonna choose my ideal customers' ages. So household income, I'm not gonna change anything here. I'm just gonna add behaviors, hashtag interactions. And I'm gonna put the 2 hashtags that really convert when I'm doing organic content, which are gym talk and also workout motivation. Alright, I'm just gonna target these 2. As you can see here, the available audience is from 27 million to 33 million, and this is only in United States. So the audience is big enough. Now we're gonna leave targeting expansion off, alright, and the daily budget is going to be $40. For the optimization goal, we're gonna choose conversions, and bid strategy is gonna be lowest cost. Now click on next, and just import all of the ads or upload all of the videos. Make sure that you point whatever product you are advertising, point directly to the product page, okay? In some cases you can use a landing page, but normally on TikTok, people, when they see something and they like it, they are ready to buy right away, okay? So Don't make them go through a lot of friction, a lot of steps. They already like your product, let them buy them instantly, and if they want, they can explore your website, but give them the option to buy right away. We leave the rest as it is and we click on continue. Now we're on the split test section. So what is the variable that we're gonna choose? So we want to choose a variable of targeting. Okay, the creatives are gonna be the same, and also the bidding and optimization is going to be the same. Now the key metric that we want to choose is cost per conversion, and the daily budget is gonna be $80. So here's the test. We're gonna choose, instead of custom targeting, which was the other one that we just created, we're gonna choose automatic targeting to allow TikTok to work its magic. Everything will be the same, we just click on complete. Now let's create the retargeting campaign, but first we need to create an audience, a custom audience. So we go to assets and audiences. Now here we're gonna click on create audience and we're gonna create a custom audience. For the audience type, we're gonna choose engagement, and we're going to include people that saw our first impression ads, the TikTok automatic targeting, and also the one that we just created, right? So both of the A/B test. Now the ad type is gonna be video ads, and the action will be that they click on the ad, okay, in the past 30 days. Now we have to add more rules. We have to broaden the audience, all right? And we're gonna choose the same 2 ad groups, all right? Video ads, and we're gonna choose, instead of click, we're gonna choose video view at 100%. When a user watches your ad in full, okay? And also in the past 30 days. Now, very important, keep enable auto refresh on. So when people watch your ads completely, in the future, this audience will be updating, okay? And replenishing with more people, all right? Then click on confirm, and that's it. Now that we have the audience, we can create the conversion campaign. So let's create a new campaign, go for website conversions, choose a name, click on continue, select the pixel, select the optimization event complete payment, select placement, remove everything except TikTok. Now here you're gonna choose custom targeting, all right? You're gonna leave everything in all except the audience, because here in the audience, we're gonna include the audience that we just created, clicked or viewed 100% of the ad, all right? Now look at the size of this audience. It's gonna be a lot smaller, but it will get bigger as the other campaigns, the A/B test campaign starts feeding them views and customers, right? Don't add any interest and behaviors. Don't expand the targeting. Put a $20 budget per day and click on next. Now we're gonna run the ads for a few days, and when we come back, we're gonna check the return on ad spend. We're gonna check the average conversion value, which targetings are performing better, which ads are performing better, and then we will optimize it and continue running the ads. Alright guys, so it has been a week and the results are in. Let's get a really quick holistic view. We spent $630. We got 24 conversions. The red line are the conversions, okay? And the blue line is how much we spend every day. See, $100 every day. Now, one of the campaigns did really good, and the other campaign, one ad set did okay, and the other one did absolutely horrible. But how do I evaluate if one campaign is good or not, if I should continue, if I should scale it? Well, let me show you my ROAS calculator, okay? I made this so it would be very simple to know if a campaign is profitable or not. So here, I will leave the link in the description to this. So here you put your average order value. In my case, it's $25, okay? And it cost me $10 to make and ship the product. I offer free shipping. So my profit margin is 60% and my break-even ROAS is 1.7. So anything less than that, I lose money. Anything above that, I make money. And this is the worst case scenario, because this is assuming that people will only buy one product, which costs $25. And since I offer free shipping, I put the $7 that it cost me to produce the product plus $3 shipping. But if they buy 3 products, that would be $75, but it will only cost me $5 in shipping. So 7 times 3, which is the cost of the product, plus the $5 in shipping, that would be $26. So see, my break-even ROAS would be 1.5 in this case. Depending on your business, you might don't care about the ROAS so much, because maybe your break-even ROAS is 1.5, but you're getting a 1.2. However, you're getting new customers, right? Customers that you can then retarget later on, 1 month later, so they can repurchase. So the average value of that customer is gonna be more than just one single purchase. So you can get away with this. Even if you're offering subscriptions, you don't really care that much about one individual cost per acquisition ROAS. You care about the lifetime value of this customer. But if you're doing drop shipping, you're just shipping, one product, and you know that they are never gonna come back, the break-even ROAS is extremely important. So let's go back to the campaign. The retargeting campaign, as you can see here, it only spent $121, all right, with a cost per click of $1.37. And the cost per 1,000 impressions is $7, which is extremely high, compared to the other automatic and general targeting campaign that we did. The cost per click is only 18 cents and the cost per 1,000 impressions is only 79 cents. That's 10 times less, all right? And of course, this one received a lot more impressions, a lot more clicks, but what we really care about is the ROAS. So let me open up this table. So the ROAS of the retargeting campaign is 3.6. That is way more than the 1.7 that we needed, right? So this campaign is extremely profitable. And then the A/B testing campaign has a ROAS of 1.04. So we're losing money on this one, but we have to dig deeper because this was an A/B test. So we did it just to see which one will perform best. And look, the one that we added the custom targeting, right? The hashtag interactions, got 3 conversions. It spent $268, just like the other one, because it was an A/B test. It forces TikTok to spend the same amount of budget. But look, 3 conversions and the ROAS was 0.28. A cost per acquisition of $89. A cost per click of 27 cents. See, this was completely horrible. And look, the one that TikTok actually decided on the audience, it got 15 conversions and a ROAS of 1.8. Now this one is profitable. The other one is not. Now let me show you, before we optimize this, let me show you really quickly something interesting. So let's go back to the campaign. Let's open the retargeting campaign, all right? But now let's start from the first day. So the 20th. The 20th, it only cost 33 cents. It didn't have enough people to serve the ads to, right? And it didn't sell anything. So we just lost 33 cents. The next day, it spent $18, almost the $20 that we have allocated for it. And it didn't get any conversions. Okay, let's go for the next day. The 22nd, it got the first conversion. It depleted the $20 and it got a ROAS of 5.57. And this is because whoever bought from this ad, they bought more than one product. And I was expecting this because the ads for the retargeting campaign, they are meant for people to trust the brand and, get more than one thing. It's not just an impulse buy. It's more like a, hey, this is awesome. Let me get as many products as I can from this company. The next day, 0 conversions, fully depleted budget. The following day, 2 conversions with a crazy ROAS of 8.73. Again, these people that bought, they bought more than one item. Next day, 1 conversion, 3.77 ROAS. And the next day, 2 more conversions. All right, so this campaign is performing extremely well and it keeps getting better and better because the other campaign is feeding warm traffic, people that care about the product, okay? They just need that little to buy. So what can we do with the other campaign that flopped? Obviously, I'm going to stop the custom targeting campaign. I'm gonna stop it. And then for the other one, I have 2 options. Either I scale it from $40 to $80, all right, because it's probably going to continue performing well and right now it is profitable, or I could duplicate it and change a few more things to keep testing. You know what? I'm actually greedy. So I want to increase the budget of this one a little bit, not by $80, I will increase it to $60, but I also will duplicate it and change one more thing because there's something that I think that might work pretty well. So first of all, let's disable the custom targeting campaign. And now this ad group is getting the $80 budget, but we don't want to put it for $80. We want to change that to 60. So let's just go here to the budget and change this to 60. All right. And we're gonna click on save. All right. So we're gonna copy existing campaign. We're gonna put it on the same campaign that we were at. Duplicate, and we're not gonna change absolutely anything for the targeting or anything, just the budget. We're just gonna put $40 on this one. I wanna keep testing. And then the optimization goal, instead of conversion, I wanna go for value. Okay, we'll deliver your ads to users that are more likely to make a purchase in order to maximize your total purchase value. Okay, before it was on conversion, but I really wanna try value. We'll keep all the ads as they are, and we're gonna click on submit. This will leave us with the first impression ad campaign, the automatic targeting, the one that was performing well. We increased the budget by 50% from $40 to $60. We deactivated the one that was really bad, and then we created another one, a duplicate of the good one, just by changing the conversion objective to value, and we're giving it a $40 budget. Well, let's really quickly take a look at the ads and how they are performing. So for the first impression campaign, we have these 6 ads, and as you can see, most of the money went to this specific ad. All right, and it got 12 conversions with a 2.04 ROAS. Now this is profitable, I don't want to touch it. But look at this one. This one got 2.66 ROAS. However, we only spent $15 on this one. TikTok decides which ads they're gonna show more to the people, and sometimes, it's a little bit annoying because look at this one. It only costs $6. It has a 3.65 ROAS. I would love if TikTok just puts more money onto this one, to test it better. One way that we can force TikTok to test and spend the same amount of money is by doing an A/B test of the creatives. Okay, we just put a bunch of A/B tests on different creatives. Or we can also, disable some ads. For example, this one has spent $13, no sales. This one, $12, no sales. We could deactivate them, but it's still very soon. We haven't given it a chance to at least, spend $50. All the money is going to this one, and it's performing good, so I'm not gonna disable it. Let's look at the retargeting campaign, how the ads are doing. I have a lot more videos on this one. Look, this one gets a 12 ROAS. It's still very small amount of data, so I cannot disable everything and just put this one so it shows a lot, because maybe I was just lucky with these impressions. It spent $4 and it got one sale, but maybe that won't replicate. Now this one, it spent $61 with a 3.39 ROAS. This one's good. This one $5, 9 ROAS. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more and disable the ads that are completely not working, but that they had a chance to spend some budget. I want to give a chance to each one of these ads, and I'm not going to make any changes until the ad has spent at least $100. Then I will decide if I shut it off. But right now, we don't have enough data to make an educated decision. So I know what you're thinking. Wow, this campaign worked for you, but will it work for me? Well, the most important thing on TikTok are the creatives, okay? You need to have videos for this strategy to work. Very good videos. So watch this video where I show you how I make my organic content and also how I turn them into ads. Thank you. I'm out.